Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make custom UV printer jigs. Now we don't have a UV printer here, but we make a lot of jigs for people with UV printers, because ironically a lot of people with UV printers don't have CNC routers and lasers and plasmas and all the other cool stuff. So in this case here, there's actually two jigs. They're completely identical in every way. And the purpose of this jig is to hold golf balls. So they put it on their UV printer like this. They put the golf balls here and they position it the way they want it to be positioned. And the UV printer just goes ahead and imprints onto the golf ball whatever information they want for the customers. Now the reason why they got two made is because what you want to do is have one in the machine while the other one you're loading and unloading, so it makes you more efficient. If you just have one jig, it still works totally fine, but when you take it out of the machine, that machine is waiting for you to load it up again. So the advantage, especially for golf balls, where orientation is actually important, it's nice to have two jigs instead of just one. Now the reason why we use MDF for this one here is because it's a very cost-effective material, very easy to work with. Now if the customer had incredible volumes, they would probably move to Delrin or acetal. And then if they have even more volume than that, and they need to clean it and do all these other cool things to it, we could actually make them out of aluminum as well. Now these jigs here were made using my Thermwood CNC router. You can see every hole is completely identical as it should be. And that's the nice thing about using a router or other CNC equipment we have here in the shop to make these jigs. We can make one, let's say this month for a customer, and then in 2 or 3 months they have more volume or they buy another UV printer and now they need 2 or 3 or 4 jigs. They don't want to retool stuff between the printers. So basically what we print for them today will be identical to what we print for them in a month, in 6 months or a year from now. And the same goes with different materials. So you start off with this one here, you have everything optimized for this size, exactly this number of golf balls, everybody's comfortable with it. Well then all you do is basically, you can still use that with your Delrin ones or your aluminum ones. So everything is made on demand, but that on demand means we can also make them exactly identical throughout the timeline of whatever project you have done. So if you're looking for custom UV jigs, any size, any shape, any material, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll make it for you and ship it right to your door.